Hey everybody, this is kind of weird lighting. I'm in the basement and I've been wanting to do some more prints of these blocks that I carved a couple months ago. So I thought I'd just let you know what I'm using and what my process is. I'm in the basement. We have a stainless steel countertop in the basement, so I'm going to do my printmaking here. I used Speedball unmounted linoleum for this. Theoretically, you're supposed to mount this on something, but you know, I didn't, and it works for my purposes. So, linoleum, you can get, I believe you can get more details, but mine aren't that detailed anyways. But if you're looking to make more detailed blocks or carvings for printmaking, this is really great. If you're looking for more like rubber stamps, like my stamps that I post a lot about on Instagram, I have another video for that, which I will link below or above somewhere so you can read about that or watch and learn about that. I'm using fabric block printing ink because I wanted to be able to print on fabric. But this also works on paper. Actually, I've been using it more on paper than fabric. I'm just using a Speedball brayer for rolling on my ink, and I have some different kinds of paper. I'm just using up the rest of this paper from an old sketchbook. I have some scrapbook paper with some lighter designs that I'm gonna print on. And I got this old book out too that I was stamping in, that I might try and print on too. So usually I have something to roll the ink onto, but actually, you know what I'm going to use this for is I'm going to use this for my kind of like my art mat, so that I don't get this area completely messy. I think I'm going to start here. I'm going to just use this space right here, I think. Since this is stainless steel, I've never done this before, but let's try it out. So I'm just rolling it on, up and down, oops, back and forth. Flip to a new page. Get the paper I would like to use. I'll start with this white paper. And let me scoot this over. There we go. Just gonna set it right on top. And I don't have a Baron, but I'm just using this plastic container to just rub to transfer the print. Oh, beautiful. I think I'm going to do a few more on just white paper. But first, for the sake of this YouTube video, I'll do one on scrapbook paper too, just so you can see. This printmaking ink takes like 7 days to dry fully, so that's fun. I'm going to flip to a new page, lay this on top. Maybe I'll do it this way actually. could even turn, the reason why I did it that way is so that I could maybe turn this into a notebook later on. I think I'll get a little bit more ink. A little bit goes a long way, especially with something so small. And I'll try it on this paper. Maybe I'll try it on some book paper actually. Let's see. So I'm done printmaking, and I just washed the brayer and the block just with water. I actually don't have any soap down here right now, and it cleaned up pretty well. I also just used an old rag, wiped up my space here, and that worked really well. And then these are the prints that I made. Which one is your favorite? Do you like the white backgrounds? Do you like the patterned backgrounds? What about book pages? And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more random papery, artsy videos, and I will see you next time.